every one of these animals we try to bring some sort of revival back. I love the challenge, and the challenge of the detail is, it's like the ultimate challenge. Trying to focus in on the smallest little detail and the littlest detail next to that one, and then work your way out and go, wow, that actually looks just like that animal. It is the coolest thing.
My craft is my profession. My passion is tradition. When words will die, this song keeps living on. Hell, I won't sell one piece of me for some no good investment. No record, man, you'll never own my song.
It's crazy that I'm even in this business, I think, sometimes, because I didn't grow up hunting or fishing. In my early 20s, I started and fell in love with it, and it became a passion, which led to the revival taxidermy. I've traveled like all across the country, learning from some of the best guys that have ever done it. I've learned from multiple world champion taxidermists. I've got the awesome experience of being in their shop, learning side by side with those guys, and I've been able to bring that back here and really do some pretty awesome stuff. With the learning, we're also always keeping an eye out for newer products, newer things that outlast others. All of our products that we use are the industry best. They're top quality. We don't skimp on that. I want your mount to last a lifetime. We're taking pride with everything we do. If it's in our freezer, if we're working on it out here, it's always kept best conditions. Everything that comes in here, I treat just like I would want my stuff to be treated. We're very transparent with how much work we take in, how much work we put out, and the time period it takes us to turn it around. I'll do it as fast as I can, but I'm never gonna compromise the finished product just to get pieces out the door. Our shop is just like a peaceful, awesome shop. We have all of the farm animals around here that when you drop your stuff off, it's like a petting zoo outside for your kids. It's pretty cool. We want the taxidermy shop, the flower farm, the animals, the whole thing to be just an awesome place. Hey, we know we're going to the flower place today. Oh, we can go check out the taxidermy shop. We can go see the animals at the farm. And everybody hopefully leaves here smiling. That's the goal. It's just a happy place. This business has been a revival for sure. Every one of these animals we try to bring some sort of revival back. I guess it's, you know, maybe it's the good memories we can revive back.
There's a million tunes that you could buy, just not this one of mine. It's the record, man, you'll never own.